Hi, this is Nigel Davis, and for Unit 4 of my Educational Technology 6010 Digital Citizen course, I am speaking about the topic diversity, cultural understanding, and global awareness. Just to give a general definition of what this topic is on, having global awareness as it relates to diversity means you have a general understanding about different cultures and norms around the world, and you possess the capacity to incorporate the attitudes, knowledge, and skills necessary to navigate the challenges of a globalized world. Now, just because I say global as far as the entire world, uh, having a global awareness mindset still can help you in a local setting. So it's just having a general understanding and capacity of the differences of others and how they interpret things, and being able to mesh all of that to work together in order to communicate. So, to the purpose, having global awareness helps you to be able to use digital tools in order to effectively collaborate with others who come from different cultures and countries in an effective way. Having a global awareness helps you to be able to look at situations from more than one viewpoint. Technology tools help to support learners who have different capabilities so they all can contribute to solutions. Okay, so let's talk about the application. Local and global problems are tackled by a collaborative team using digital communication tools and open communication while being aware of cultural differences between parties. Collaboration occurs through research or action projects. These teams can work together locally or across the world, communicating using digital tools to exchange information and ideas. So, ways to add diversity with technology use. These are just some examples of things that can be used. Using things such as Google Translator for students who English is a second language, or vice versa, in order to help with the communication and translation process. Have students research current events in other countries, such by using the internet or smartphones. You can also create these assignments with the option to use several different technology tools in order to complete the assignments. This accounts for the different learners' capabilities, so the different learning styles that individuals may have in a class or a setting. Also, have students read literature and watch films from different countries. Being culturally aware. As both students and teachers, we must all attempt to have some basic knowledge about the cultural differences of others, especially people we interact with on a regular basis. This applies to being culturally aware to some extent to all of the different cultures present in your classroom. And this also can go for your workspace, your workforce as well. Real world application. Currently with COVID-19 pandemic, traditional brick and mortar schools have relied heavily on online learning and digital tools in order to address the needs of students who may not be able to attend physical school at the time. An example, my current employer, University View Academy, which is a 100% online virtual school whose services the state of Louisiana, has reached out to several local school districts in Louisiana by providing instructional videos and tutorials in order to prepare teachers who culturally have never dealt with a 100% online environment. So while we teachers live in the same state or the same locale, the cultural differences in the way that we go about our day-to-day practice has changed. So through this form of digital citizenship, through this form of basically using global awareness to help our neighbors around us get through this environment and be able to be successful in educating students as well. And the way we go about this, we share live lessons for examples of how the instruction can be done virtually, helping to construct online courses. And these can be done through programs, LMS programs such as Canvas, Google Classroom, or GoFormative, providing ready-made lessons, showing evidence of addressing multiple learning styles in these lessons, while also factoring in accommodated students. So we also point out the things that can be addressed when we do talk about these lessons to show the teachers that accommodations can be met, that addressing multiple learning styles can be met, and sometimes some people just need an adequate example of how to do it before they can do it as well. So in conclusion, the purpose of addressing diversity and cultural differences as it relates to global awareness is to help break down obstacles that may get in the way of proper communication and overall success for student learners. Providing ample digital tools can help allow learners of all different abilities, academically and culturally, be able to work together effectively in a team environment. I hope this sets you up for success as you go through Unit 4 and look at some other resources that I provided, and as you work on the actual activity and assessment at the end. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good day.